Hey everyone, this is Kristine Ochu. I'm here today to teach you 3 tools from my Keep On Rolling toolkit. This is because I was actually a log roller and I still consider myself to be a modern day lumberjill. So the first tool I want to share with you is one to help you shift from feeling stress to calm. And how we do this is we rub our hands together and we shake out that stagnant energy, and then we gently cup our hands over our eyes. Take a few slow, relaxed breaths. And then we slowly drag our fingertips to our temples, around our ears, down the side of our neck, back behind our shoulders, just giving a nice little squeeze. Feels so good. And over our heart. Now, if you do that a few times, you are going to definitely feel that shift from stress to calm in your body. It feels so good. A second tool I want to teach you is how to shift from feeling exhausted, those moments that just hit us anytime, right, throughout the day, into a state of feeling energized. And a way we can do this is to take our fingertips and tap gently on our cheekbones. You're going to be sending signals down your stomach meridian, down your legs, into your feet, and down into the earth, connecting your body with the earth. And this really helps you move your energy. Another is to tap under your nose, and this helps you balance your right and left side energies. And then under your bottom lip. This is your main chi energy center, and you start to really activate your energy. A third tool that can be very helpful is how to shift from self-doubt to confidence. And the number one way we can do this is to ditch the self-criticism. It doesn't serve us. Let's just get rid of it. And if you find yourself falling into that trap, just say stop and use an I am statement. So let's use I am confident. And to add a power gesture can really help. So you can say, I am confident, or I am confident, or I am confident. Give it a try. These tools are portable, they're free. You can use them anytime, anywhere you need them. I hope this helps you keep on rolling.